Alright guys, well, I've had many questions about this Uniden Bearcat BC-75XLT and the LCD problem that it has, such as you can see. Basically, people have been asking me how to repair it, and the only honest opinion answer I can actually give you, there's no real way to fix this LCD. It really isn't. It's a design flaw by Uniden with the actual ribbon cable, how it connects to the board, how it connects to the LCD. And I deal with other similar type of devices, use LCD, use the same type of cable, and basically it's held in place with a glue type substance. And by heating it up is how you would apply it to the contacts inside. And that's pretty much why the LCD just bad on these. It's the shitty way that it's done, for lack of a better term. So I guess there's a lot of people wondering, how do you do it? How do you heat this thing up without actually destroying your LCD and your ribbon cable? Well, for starters, what you need is a soldering iron with adjustable heat, such as the Weller WES50. And as you can see, I have my temperature turned all the way down. Now you may have to bring it up a little bit to 350, but no higher than that. And and you just apply the tip of the soldering iron very quickly across the ribbon cable on the circuit board. Anyways, so I'm going to show this. I guess this is like an update, I suppose, on the Uniden BC-75XLT, and I'm going to show you how this is done. So if you're interested in knowing how the Uniden BC-75XLT how to fix this LCD, or at least temporarily, keep watching. Alright, so all you're going to need right now is a screwdriver. Yeah, small one. So take the antenna off, take the battery pack off, take the batteries out, remove 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throw them aside, don't lose them. Alright, at that point, you get the screws out. So all you do is take the two halves and pull them apart. Like that. Pull the front away. And then you're down to the LCD and circuit board. So, I had one question ask me, how do you release this white plastic piece here? Well, that's quite easy. All you need for that is a small little screwdriver kind of thing, and you push in on the center part right here. That's just a clip, it goes in and clips underneath. So just push in gently and lift out, and that's it. Then your LCD comes out. That's it. That easy. And then you're down to the ribbon cable, which is a complete utter nuisance. So, anyways, next step, how to heat this up without destroying the ribbon cable. Well, stand by and I'll show you. Again, make sure your soldering iron heat is turned way down, and cool off your tip, like so. And then all you're doing is very quickly taking the tip of your soldering iron and run across these little black strips that's connected right to the board. Those guys there. Make sure there's no solder on your tip. Alright, so let's see if we can't do this, eh? Show you how to do this. Again, your soldering iron tip got to be fairly, it's got to be pretty cold. Not cold, but at least 300 degrees, no more. If you gotta go to 350, so be it, but I don't recommend going above 350 because you could definitely melt this plastic. So just go like that. That's it, just like that. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Very quickly, like that. Don't keep the tip on it long. Just back and forth. Basically all this does is it's reapplying the glue again. Back and forth. And you don't want to, like, you know, drive the tip into the plastic because again you can damage it. Just lightly rub over top of it like that. Just like this, just rub it. Don't keep it in one spot for very long. Just like that. Alright. Let's power it up and see if it should work. Okay, so it didn't work at 300 degrees. So now I have my starter now moved up to 350 from 300. So we'll try it there and see what it will do. Get the camera stay put, that'd be nice, eh? Alright, let's get the ribbon, let's get the plastic off here again. Alright. Alright. Is it hot? Yes, it's hot. Alright, so again, same thing. Exact same thing, folks. Exact same thing. Rub it very quickly. Don't leave it under very long. Just back and forth like that. I have folks saying you could actually melt the plastic, melt the ribbon. Well, yes, you use too much heat, you certainly can. That's what I'm saying. Do this very slowly. Not slowly, but quickly, I should say. Just like that. Get all these traces to make sure the connections connect to them copper traces there. Just like that. Alright, so as you can see, the plastic is not melted at all. So basically what I'm saying, you get your tip and this part right here, you're just back and forth like that, back and forth with your tip. Alright, so I'm going to try it again and see if the LCD comes back. Let's turn around, see if she comes back. There we go. Now you can see some of the segments on the top are not 100%. See that? like they're coming and going. One, this actual banks I'm turning off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right across the top. As you can see. Now, the 2 and the 5, I don't know if you can see it. 2 and 5 is a little weak. Still a little weak. So I'm going to reflow heat once again to that ribbon cable to get those digits to come back properly. Okay, so I'm going to try to prove something here to you. This tape ribbon cable underneath, it's held to the board by glue, by pressure basically. One YouTube subscriber, commenter, said he used cardboard or paper or something to keep pressure on the cable. You're probably correct on that. That could work. But just watch the LCD as I push pressure on certain parts of the cable. See this? I don't know if you can see that. Parts of the, just by putting pressure on certain parts. Like I'm rubbing my finger across. Some of you may say, "Oh no, you can't be at that, boy. You're going to damage it." Blah 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 blah. Well, you know, maybe, maybe not. As I say, it's held by pressure, by the glue, the adhesive to the board. And the only way to get the glue, you got to reapply it with heat. I don't like the way it's done, but what do you do, right? So anyways, I'm going to reapply the heat again. So folks, after reheating the ribbon cable, as you can see, the LCD has come back. %. Interesting, this scanner can go and do CB as well, goes right 25 megahertz.
À 12 km/h, humidité relative 60%, la pression au mètre 101,8 kPa.
So there we have it. And that's how you repair the LCD on the Uniden Bearcat 75XLT. I hope this updated video helps some folks out there, maybe. But, you know, there's no, like I say, there's no repair for this. I managed to get the LCD fully working last night, and I woke up today, turned the scanner on, and the LCD was messed up again. So, chances of it holding here is, you know, slim to none. But I'll keep you updated. But for right now, the LCD is working 100%. So now we'll just see how she goes, and if the LCD goes bad again, I'll do another update video, and we'll fix it again. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. All the best.